Okay. Good morning, children. Okay. The previous period, we are doing one problem. I hope it is complete. You completed that one, Naureen? You all?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now let's check that answer. Okay. Give your answers. We can check whether is it correct or not. Give your answers. First one. First one, Tom Sebastian. First one, Tom Sebastian. Yes. That's cards questions. How many cards will be selected? Okay, we are selecting 4 cards. And how many ways are there? It's not clear. Alantina, give your answer, Alantina. First one. What is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards?
270725.
270725. Is it correct? Okay. Okay. So the next one, Anashwarya. Cards are of the same suit.
299900.
Cards are of the same suit. It is okay. Same suit. How will you get this 29990? Check your answer. Is it like that? Check it. Cards are of the same suit means all the cards will be of the same type, isn't it? So 13C4. 4 times 13C4, isn't it? So we'll get 4 into 13C4 means 13 onwards 4 numbers. 12 into 11 into 10 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So if you cancel this, this is again 2. So I think you'll not get like this. Check your answer, Anashwara. Is it like this, Alantina? Aditya?
Ma'am, I got 268, 2860.
2860. Yes, it is 2860. 2860. I think, Anashwara, you gave the answer for the next one. Cards are of the same color.
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am.
Ah.
Second question's answer.
Okay, cards are of same color. Now give the answer. That is
29900.
okay, 29900. Next one. 2 are red and 2 are black. 2 are red and 2 are black. Pranav Sajan. Two are red and 2 are black.
Ma'am, I didn't did it.
Why? Okay. So finish that one. Okay. Now Malavika, give the answer.
Ma'am, 105625.
105625. Yes, correct. 105625. Next one. Cards belong to different suits. John Philip. Cards belong to different suits.
28,561.
Yes, 28,561. Next one, they are face cards. They are face cards. Navaneet.
Ma'am, 11880.
11880. Face cards, isn't it? You answered that. Okay. Okay, 4 face cards. So total, how many face cards are there? 12 face cards. So it is 12C4. You'll not get that big number. 12 into 11 into 10 into 9.
Sorry, ma'am, I forgot to do by 4. I mean,
Ah.
4.
Okay. Now, what is the answer, Shavarinath? After simplifying this,
494.
495. Okay. The answer is 495. Those who are not completed, complete this. This type of questions are all important questions. Okay. Sometimes the question will be asked like this. Is it over? You come finish this one. Shall I discuss? Okay. Now listen. Suppose you are, okay, suppose in a plane, 20 points are there. In a plane, 20 points are there. How many lines can be drawn? In a plane, there are 20 points. How many lines can be drawn? For drawing a line, how many points we need? 20 points are there in a plane. How many lines can be drawn? Yes. If for drawing a line, how many points we need? We have learned the definition of line.
2
Line
points.
segment. Line segment means it has 2
And
end points. So among these 20 points, we have to select any 2. Is it clear? So what is the answer?
20C2.
20C2. If 20 points are there, means answer will be 20C2. These are all some simple 1-mark questions. Okay. Write the next one. A committee of 7. A committee of 7 has to be formed. A committee of 7 has to be formed from. A committee of 7 has to be formed from 9 boys and 4 girls. A committee of 7 has to be formed from 9 boys and 4 girls. A committee of 7 has to be formed from 9 boys and 4 girls. In how many ways this can be done? In how many ways this can be done? If the committee consists of, in how many ways this can be done? If the committee consists of, first one.
Ma'am, can you repeat it?
A committee of 7 has to be formed. A committee of 7 has to be formed from 9 boys and 4 girls. From 9 boys and 4 girls. A committee of 7 has to be formed from 9 boys and 4 girls. In how many ways? In how many ways can this be done? In how many ways can this be done when the committee consists of? In how many ways can this be done when the committee consists of? First one, exactly 3 girls. First one, exactly 3 girls. Second one, at least 3 girls. First one, exactly 3 girls. Second one, at least 3 girls. Third one, at most 3 girls. At most 3 girls. In how many ways? A committee of 7, isn't it? Committee of 7 has to be formed if it contains exactly 3 girls. Okay. Exactly 3 girls. Second one, at least 3 girls. Third one, at most 3 girls. Listen, children. All of you listen. Look at here. So, there are 9 boys and 4 girls. We want to form a committee. Okay, we want to form a committee of 7. Okay, we want to form a committee of 7. In the first case, exactly 3 girls is given. And we want, okay, we want to select 7. Okay, we want to select 7 children. How will you do this? You want to select 7. Exactly 3 girls are there. So what will be the answer? I'm not asking the final answer. You tell me how will you do this? We want to select 7. It is 7. In the 7, it is given exactly 3 girls are there. So how many boys can select?
4.
4. So 4 boys we can select. So 4 boys we can select it from how many boys?
9.
9. Similarly, we can select 3 girls from among this 4. So it will be the answer. How many ways? The first case. The number of ways we can select is 9C4 into, because we want both. If we take both boys and girls, then only you'll get the total number. So 9C4 into 4C3. 9C4 into 4C3. Simplify this and give the answer. Sorry.
Ma'am, is it 25?
Yes. 1.
Is it 252?
252. 504 is the answer. I think you have to multiply. Okay, 9C4. Somewhere some calculation mistake is there. Check it. Meharin, what is the answer? Is it 5C4? 504?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Jacob?
I got 502.
Then do the calculation again. 9C4 means it is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 4C3 means it is same as 4C1. Is or no? 4C1 means it will be 4. So this 2 will get cancelled. 6 will get cancelled.
Yes, ma'am.
Navrin, is it the answer 504? Okay. Now look at the second case, children. Look at the second case. At least 3 girls. What is meant by at least 3 girls?
Minimum.
Minimum, isn't it? At least 3. So minimum 3. And what is the maximum number we can have?
7.
7. Okay. So we want a committee of 4. So if I select 3 girls, boys we can select. How many boys we can select? 1. Okay. And suppose I select 4 girls, then in that case, no boys at all. Okay. And total, yes.
Total 7, right?
Total is, okay, total is 7. Okay, I'm thinking that 4 members are to be selected. Okay, no. Total we want 7. So girls and boys. Okay, I'm drawing this column for our understanding. Total we want 7. Okay. How many girls are there? 4 girls are there. And boys? 9 boys. Okay, so at least 3 girls. So minimum 3 girls means we can select how many boys? 4 boys. Then total we want 7. Total 7, isn't it? We want a member. We want to form a committee of 7. Then suppose we select 4 girls. Then in that case we can select 3 boys. Next possibility, is it there? 5 girls?
No.
No, certainly these are the 2 cases. Either we can do it in the first way or in the second way. So 2 ways are possible, either in the first way or second way. So in the first way, how we can write? From the 4 girls, I'm going to select 3. 4C3 into 9C4. Either the first way or means plus, or the next one 4C4 into 9C3. 4C4 into 9C3. Now simplify this. 4C3 will be same as 4C1, which is 4. 9C4 means 9 onwards 4 numbers. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Plus 4C4 is NCN is 1. So it is 1 into 9C3. 9 into 8 into 7 by 1 into 2 into 3. Simplify, we'll get the answer. What is the answer, Shabarinath?
580.
588. Okay. Jewel, is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we can move on to the next one. Next question. Third one, Roman letter 3. At most 3 girls. Next one is at most 3 girls. So here the next case, at most 3 girls. What is the meaning of at most 3?
Maximum.
Maximum 3 girls we can select. We want a committee of 7, isn't it? Number of girls is 4 and how many boys are there? 9 boys. So maximum 3 girls. So maximum 3. So if we select 3 girls, how many boys we can select? 4. And We can't take 4 girls. Instead of that, we can go on reducing, isn't it? Suppose we select 2 girls. Here we will be getting 5 boys. Suppose we select 1 girl, is 6 boys. 0, 7. Because it is given maximum, no restriction on the minimum. Only maximum number of girls is given. Maximum, we can select 3 girls. So minimum, no girl at all. So here, we can select the team in 4 different ways. We are able to form the team in 4 different ways. So for the first one, if you take the first case, 4C3 into 9C4. Or next case is 4C2 into 9C5. Or 4C1 into 9C6. Or 4C0 into 9C7. Now simplify this, you'll get the answer. Simplifying this, you can find the answer. What is the answer? Okay. Is it 1632? Vinayak? Check your answer. Is it 1632?
Did not finish.
Ma'am, 1632.
Yes. Okay. Write the next one. Is it over?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Malavika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now write the next one. One more method is there. After that, you have to get ready for the test paper. Write down. Write this one. Find n. Find n if 2ncn. Find n if 2ncn. 2nc3. 2nc3 is to nc3 is equal to 11:1. 2nc3 is to nc3 is 11:1. Find n. So A is to B means we know that it is A by B, isn't it? By nc3 is 11/1. So how will you do this? 2nc3. What is done by 2nc3? From 2n, we have to write 3 numbers, isn't it? 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3. Again, nc3 means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3 is 11/1. Now here 1 into 2 into 3, 1 into 2 into 3 will get cancelled. So we get 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 by n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. Okay, so now here what we can do, here 1n will it get cancelled? N, 2n and the denominator n will get cancelled. Similarly, from 2n minus 2, from this 2n minus 2, we can take 2 outside. If you take 2 outside, we will get n minus 1 by n minus 1 into n minus 2 is 11/1. From this term, we take 2 outside. If you take 2 outside, we get 2 into n minus 1. Now here, n minus 1 will get cancelled. So we get 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2n minus 1 by n minus 2 is 11/1. Now cross multiply this and find the value of n. Cross multiplying, find the value of n.
And 6.
N is 6. Yes. Value of n is 6. Okay, we use the definition. Okay, we expand it. And whichever things are common, we can take it as common and cancel it. Is it okay, Rahul? Is it okay? Align? Align? Okay. Morning session, are you present?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I have not marked the attendance. That's what I'm asking. Okay. Now get ready for the test paper. Okay, So now all of you turn on your video, get ready for the test paper. So 10 marks. Okay, out of 10 marks. First one, give the range of, okay, the range of, first one, the range of f of x is equal to 2 minus 3x is. A range of f of x is equal to 2 minus 3x, comma, is, comma, x greater than 0 is. Second one, start answering. Okay, 5 minutes only. Within 5 minutes, you have to complete 5 questions in 5 minutes. Simple questions. Next one, domain of f of x is equal to root of x square minus 4. Domain of f of x is equal to x square minus 4. Third one, define logarithmic function. Third one, define logarithmic function. Fourth one, a is equal to set minus 1, 2, 0, 2. F of x is defined as x square minus 2. F of x is x square minus 2. Give the domain, codomain, and range. See children here, okay, f is a function on A, okay. F is a function on A defined as, sorry, not function children, it is a relation. F is a relation on A given by f of x is x square minus 2. Give the domain, codomain, and range. Okay, then fifth one, start answering. Fifth one, give the domain of f of x is equal to x plus 7 by x square minus 8x plus 12. No need to write the questions. Okay, these are all 1 mark questions. Start answering. 5 questions, 5 marks. Those who are finished can send the, okay, take the photo and send it. Finished? Yes? Hmm? No.
Ma'am, can you show the question?
So this time for 10th standard and all, it is a board exam question. Okay. So for them, we are giving practice like this, one question within 1 minute. So you, the test paper today also taking like that for you. 5 question, 5 minutes. So finish it. It's a 1 mark question. Yes, time up. Send your answers. Okay, Renel. Okay, when you send your answers, send your names. Okay, along with that, you send your name.
Ma'am, can you show the questions?
Time up, children. I'm going to end the session. Okay, children. So stop writing, send your answers. Okay. Thank you. Okay. See, when for sending, should take 5 minutes. Okay, children, we end the session now. Thank you.